So today is the big day. It is Zion's birthday. He is 17 years old. We're in Target. Yeah, you have such... You already know how she feels. But we're looking for something.
Why you know Trader Joe's? They're 99 cents.
What, in Trader Joe's?
Yes, the birthday cards.
They nice? No, what does he care, right? Okay, we need a bag. We need a bag.
Toss to the, oh gosh. I wish you was over by Family Dollar.
So this is the place that she lived by. She could have got a bag.
But I was here all week. So don't do that.
But you been knew his birthday was coming. Let me see.
Kind of buoyant.
Mm-hmm.
The shirt color is green, man. You can fit in here.
Yeah, it can fit in there. This would be small, too small. That size is good. Yeah. $3.50.
That's crazy.
That's
crazy.
That's insane.
You getting a candle?
Yeah, I'll get a candle. A 1 and a 7. I was gonna get it at what you call it. At what do you call that? At Carvel.
They might be more.
Oh, they were like $2.49.
Well, then get them there.
And they got sparkle. I believe they got a sparkle one there.
Zion, okay, that about.
Yeah, I know. But yes. I know he don't care, man.
Yo, Sade, once he opens this, he's not. You're gonna be like, Zion, read your card. He's not. I don't even know why you just put this in the bag.
Okay.
That's it. And you have tissue papers in the house. You just gotta go through the bags and sit there.
What?
Or fold them up.
Why are you so...
Because you don't have that kind of a child. It'd be nice. Like if it was royalty, it'd be different. But
if it was royalty, oh gosh, I'm happy it's not. So we gotta go back upstairs.
high school sweetheart.
That's the song?
Love was so brand new. Cool in the game.
It's not even on here.
Good.
Oh, y'all, I miss having hair. I went and found this rinky-dinky wig. Half a wig to throw on my head. Let me check this dress for sure. Now we're in Trader Joe's. Mama don't want to come in here. They have so much goodies. Oh, these are so good. Royalty loves this. Fig, no. Lemon, no. Apricot, no. Coconut, yeah. Pistachio, yes. But the rest of them, Trader Joe really do got a lot of stuff. I bought this a long time ago. It's still in my house. I bought this like 2 years ago. That hot spicy honey is still in the top of my cabinet. Went to Carvel in Cinnabon. Got some candles. Found a card in Trader Joe's because my mother said they 99 cents in Trader Joe's. So I really wish he would eat one or want a cake, but we've spent so much money over the years on cakes and he has never eaten them at all. Everybody else has. So when you think spending $200, $250 on a cake for the enjoyment for other people and the birthday person never eats it, not anymore. Those days are over. I will talk to you guys when I get upstairs. I took that wig off, y'all. I couldn't. My head was hot. As much as I say I want a wig, I do want one, but so if you hear snoring, that's Greg in the background. I told my vlog if they hear snoring, that's you in the background. So I got a bag. I got him his favorite chips. His favorite drink. His favorite cookies. I got the Cinnabon from Cinnabon. These are the candles I chose. They had like sparkly, different ones, but Cinnabon. So I guess I put a candle and each one light it, sing happy birthday, and he could care less after that. I got him birthday cards. This one is for royalty. This one is from me. And I like this one because it says birthday brain. And then it has, like, I guess thoughts in the brain, like hoping no one sings happy birthday. And that is my son. Like, he could just do without. Overthink life choices. How old am I again? Something my son was saying. So this represents Zion. So fill this out. And because I did write a list of some things that I needed to get. And I picked up some pasta from Trader Joe's. Their pasta is only 99 cents. Can't go wrong with that. So that was spaghetti. These are bow ties, 99 cents, which I love this kind of pasta. And I picked up my daughter's favorite blueberry muffin. And I also got some coconut water for my husband. My mother said he liked it, so then I got one. Let me show you guys. I had to hide it for a few days. I had to hide it for a few days. So this is what he got, because this is what he wanted. The Meta Quest 3. Yeah, so I know he is going to be ecstatic. It's something he really, really wanted. And, yeah. So I'm going to set all of this up right now in his bag. And then I'm going to probably have me a muffin. And yeah, that's it. I was supposed to go to the fish market today, but things are just always subject to change. Let me just say that. So I will see y'all the next time we talk. Then I guess I will see y'all when Zion gets home from school. So they said that I would have to come back and reorder it. It's like everybody wanted it, and I got to it too late. How you feel? You okay? Huh?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sad about it? A little bit? You thought you was coming home to it? Did your dad call you? Yeah. You about to cry?
No.
Oh.
He said he was gonna.
Chocolate and cheese, yeah.
No, I thought I was gonna get it.
All right, I'll come talk to you. Go have a seat.
Yeah.
Go have a seat in your room. It's
no,
okay.
it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. It's just I thought I was gonna get it.
You will get it.
I will.
Yeah, I just have to reorder it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm not mad. I don't
Okay.
think it'll sound like this, but I'm not mad.
It's okay. I understand. It's okay to be disappointed.
Hi, guys.
Light up the candles.
My husband looking at me like shaking my head. All right, so we're gonna light the candle. Come on. And then we're gonna. Greg, you can't get up, right? Yeah, you sound happy. You can't get up. Okay. Okay. Can't be playing with fire now. I feel so bad. I know he's probably... It's right there. Down. Okay. Oh, I feel so bad, Craig. Zion! Open door. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Zion. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. What's your wish? Oh, you don't want to have to say it. I know what you're wishing though. Good.
I wish for Skippy toilet.
Okay, blow.
Can I?
Sure, let her
blow.
blow one. Royalty, blow this one.
No.
See,
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Greg. Wait, what is this? Ha
Ah, it's a prank.
Yeah.
Greggy, what?
No, that isn't good.
Happy birthday to you. We're gonna eat it.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Greg.
How you feel? Super prank. How you felt when you came in the room?
I thought this was gonna be the end for me.
No, but you was really in here like, ugh.
Yeah, I was.
You was?
I'm about to call my dad and tell him, hey, Dad, I kind of might need a new lock.
Hold on. Happy birthday.
I'm sorry. Jesus.
Zion, I wouldn't do you like that. We wouldn't do you like that. That was a good prank, right?
Yeah, that was.
It was hard. It was hard for me, Papa.
What's it say?
Happy birthday.
What's it say?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
And look, it's me and you.
Oh,
Me. I don't have long hair.
look.
Oh, that's you and that's me.
Zion.
That's me. I'm ready.
You happy?
I'm happy. I'm
Yeah.
happy. You kidding me?
God bless you, Papa.
Happy birthday. My birthday's coming up.
Oh my gosh, that was so hard, girl. You want one? Look. That's how that went.
It was
I felt so bad.
Me too. But
My husband said it sounded like he was in a room transforming.
Guys, do you like my hair and my shirt?
Very pretty.
Love you.
Love you too. So that's that. Yeah. So I guess we'll enjoy the Cinnabon. And I'm gonna relax because I'm very, very tired now. I am a little hungry, but I'm too tired to eat. All right, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Happy birthday, Zion. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I post, you can pull up and see what's going on. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.